Hi, this is Kep Kepner, CPA here in Dallas. Let's talk a little bit about Obamacare. One thing is for sure, premiums are higher. Now let's think about that for a minute. Big government getting in bed with big health care and the rest of us paying the price because not only are our premiums higher, but guess what? Healthcare as a whole is growing rapidly too. So we're getting hit both ways. With most of the insurance products that are out there, they are high deductible products. So you have to come up with whatever plan you're on, whether it's $2,900 or $5,000 or $10,000, you have to come up with that if you have health insurance, because to do it otherwise, you wouldn't be able to afford the premiums at all. Another thing about Obamacare, most people don't pay their full premiums. That's because you and I are paying the tax on that, and it's given to the people that can't afford it. So regardless of what you think about the social implications of that, the reality is most people don't pay the full premiums on health insurance under Obamacare. Why don't you check and see if you do? All of us who had health insurance before probably lost it. Millions of people have lost their old health insurance in spite of what we were promised. So as a matter of fact, absolutely are in a new world. And the insurance companies has figured out, like they always do, how to make a lot of money. And the government has figured out how to collect a lot from each of us. So the system is working well. We're just probably on the wrong side of the fence, would be my guess. Not only are premiums higher and healthcare rising, but the program that's in place encourages more spending. When you had to go to a county hospital for a small illness, now you'll use your insurance and go. In the past, you might have just waited to see if the sickness passed. So you can argue about whether that's good health care or not, but the fact of the matter is, it's easier for somebody with Obamacare to go get health care, and so that pushes the cost of that service up for everybody else. And don't forget, in all of this Obamacare are all the new taxes. We talked about the Cadillac tax, additional Medicare tax. Oh, I must not have mentioned the 3.8% investment tax on investments that are passive to you, the taxpayer. So if you don't have any passive investments, you don't have to worry about it. But if you do, you need to talk to us. Give us a call.